GitHub submodules are something like this. Suppose here's your Git repo. Let me pitch it back again. Let me take a step back. So here's what GitHub submodules are. Suppose you have your own repo, Git repo, which depends on a different repository. Let's just say repo B, and this is repo A. But you don't want to copy paste the entire thing inside this. And why? Because this thing can constantly change, and this can get a new release, this new stuff being built onto it. The reason for submodules being created was this particular reason. Since you want to use repo B inside repo A, and you want to use, like, you want to have the flexibility to use different versions of repo B, you're going to use something called GitHub submodules. And what submodules basically do is that it'll include whatever is there in repo B inside repo A as a hyperlink. You can access whatever is there in repo B inside repo A, and whatever the new things being added onto repo B will also be available